just like to introduce you to a control panel made by Motor Control Warehouse. It's a bespoke control panel to control a conveyor system that's moving metal radiators. We've got a 2-pole 0.37 kilowatt 3-phase motor that's wired in delta to run off 3-phase 220 volts. We have a single to 3-phase inverter within the panel that runs off single phase. We've got a class 2 laser adjustable proximity sensor here to stop the conveyor when the radiators move close to the sensor. On the outside of the panel we've got a hand-off auto switch in hand. The conveyor will just run from the speed control here. In auto it will run off the sensor. We've got a key release e-stop button and a reset button for the e-stop, and also an interlock mains isolator. Inside the panel we've got a single to 3-phase 0.4 kilowatt HD700 inverter, cooling fan, thermostat to control the cooling fan, interlocked isolator again, MCB for the inverter, MCB for the control, an e-stop contactor, a 240 volt to 24 volt DC power supply, a control relay, and DIN rail terminals for the motor connections and the sensor connections. On the back of the lid here we've got the back of the control buttons and the speed potentiometer. Okay, just turn the power on. Okay, we have to press the reset button. The e-stop contactor pulls in, putting power on everything, and the system's now ready to go. If I run it in hand, you can see the shaft of the motor turning, so the conveyor will now be turning. We can adjust the speed on that motor from around about 3,000 RPM down to just a few RPM and a few hertz, as you can see on the display of the inverter. Okay, if I now put it into auto mode, turn the speed up a little bit, power around onto the sensor. You imagine a radiator coming close to the sensor. Once you get within proximity range, the motor stops. Outside range, the motor starts going, so the conveyor starts going again. And we can now adjust that range quite easily by this orange dial here. I'll turn it down from 80 centimeters down to 20 centimeters. See, my hand needs to get quite a bit closer to the sensor for it to stop. And that particular sensor has a range of a few millimeters up to 2 meters. Okay, we'll also show you the e-stop. Once we press the e-stop button, the e-stop contactor drops out, removes power from the inverter, which stops the motor. If we release the e-stop, press the reset button, the whole system is ready to go again. Okay, thanks for watching.